Hi guys and welcome back. So today we're just gonna start where we stopped last time and start out by battling this trainer before we arrive at the rock tunnel. And if you didn't catch the last episode, there's a link in the description so you can watch it. And that was pretty quick. And there's lots of trees we can cut down, and hopefully in the main games there's a Pokemon Center down here, so I hope it still is here. And we were lucky. Woohoo! So we'll just go in here, and I'm gonna switch Ekans out because we need a Pokemon who can use Flash, and that would be Butterfree this time. So here you can watch the Pokemon I have caught. And let's just try and let Butterfree learn Flash. And now Butterfree can use Flash, and we'll be able to see where we're going in the tunnel. But before, we have to battle this trainer here. Hopefully it won't take long. And so I'm just making this video quickly because in not even an hour but small 40 minutes Pokemon Planet will be offline for approximately 48 hours because of maintenance. So I won't be posting Pokemon Planet videos at least for the next 1 or 2 days. So now we're just gonna figure out this puzzle where we have to go. And but don't worry if we don't get out here today, and I don't think we will because the tunnel is quite long. But just hang on tight and wait till the next time I post a Pokemon Planet video, because when I do, the game will be up and running again. So, but now let's just see where we're going, and if it is actually the right way we're going. I'm not sure about it is, because they have made the cave differently than it is in the main games, and of course that was to add the mining stuff and all the mining stones. So and Charmeleon got to level 30, so I think I want to switch out with Nuzleaf, because there are Geodudes in here, and Nuzleaf is a grass type Pokemon, even though he hasn't any grass type moves yet. He will get some at some point, but it's also a good way to train Nuzleaf. Wow, an Onix. Well, let's see how Nuzleaf's gonna go with here. And luckily he beat the Onix. And that was the only Pokemon she had. So I'm quite excited for this tunnel because I aren't really sure of how to get out, or if it even is the right way to go. But hopefully it is. Or is it? Do we have to take those stairs or not? We'll definitely have to battle this trainer first. Okay. Has a lot. It doesn't matter, that's just good training. So what is... we can't go this way, so we just have to try to look at those other... I want to say stairs all the time, but that's not right. It's ladders. If we can get down from these stairs, at least. But well, at least we get some money from going out here. Is this even the right way? It's quite exciting to see where we're gonna go out of here, because I don't know, I really don't know. After they have made the tunnel differently. Wasn't we just here? Well, we were, and now we're going in circles apparently. It is so different from the main games. In the main games you can't really go the wrong way. But now we know that we are not supposed to take that ladder. We'll have to find something different. And at least we get lots of training and save up quite some money. I'm going crazy. I'm just going to go crazy, but this must be the way. Walk the way where you haven't fought against some trainers. That must be the way. Oh dear. Can you do it, Nasli? No! Alright, then we'll just have to take Nidorina. And use her double kick. And if you're wondering why I say him or her, that's because in the main games Nidorina can actually only be female, but of course the others can be males and females, but I don't know if they are males or females. They're not going down here, I can see. But I just say him or her or whatever just comes to mind. Because in this game they never put in the gender feature, because I think because they didn't want to use breeding feature. I don't know if we're actually supposed to take those stairs that are on the other side, but or ladder of course, but we can look down these stairs and see. Always jungle around with those two words. I'm sorry. What do you know? Trainer has a Pikachu. But of course someday we will also get Pikachu. Don't worry. It just takes time because for Pikachu to evolve into Pikachu, this was not the way. Pikachu will have to have his happiness. You just look right here. The happiness to, what is it? 220. So but unfortunately I'm gonna wrap this up here right after this dude. And then I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please leave a like and please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and then I'll see you next time, and hopefully we'll find our way out. So see you next time, and bye!